How to add items to an order. As you'll come to realize, there are multiple ways to add an item to an order within iPreVue. And as you start to use the application, you'll find that is a method that works best for you. So I'm going to show you a couple ways of adding items to an order. So first I'm going to go to Clients, and I'm going to select my dealer, which is going to be ABC Furniture. So the first way to add items to an order is by using the category structure. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to navigate to beds, and from here I can actually add an item to an order by just tapping on this plus sign. So I'm going to add these two beds to this order. Now another way you can add items to an order is by actually tapping on the item, getting the product detail page, and clicking the plus sign here, or you can actually tap on the number here to get a keypad where you can enter in the amount of items you'd like to have. So let's say for this example that this dealer is interested in 25 beds. And I can add and subtract using the plus and minus signs as well. So maybe I mistyped, maybe they only want 23. Now I'm going to hit the rewind button up here. I'm going to head back to my dealer landing page. So those were two ways you can add items to an order. So let's take a look at the tags. So we have the spring promotion, and there are 13 items in this tag. And let's say the dealer wants all 13 of these items. So if you tap on the plus sign in the top right hand corner, you have the option of adding all items to the order. So everything in this tag will be added, whether it be 2 items or 200. So it's going to confirm with you that you want to make sure to add those items, and I'm going to hit yes. And you'll now notice that these items all have a 1 where the plus sign used to be. And let's say you wanted to add another one of these mirrors. Just tap on that number to increase it to 2. So I'm going to head back to the main dealer landing page. So that was adding items from a tag. Now let's add items from a bookmark. So I'm going to go to my bookmarks, and I'm going to see that I have 3 items bookmarked. So let's say they're not interested in this bed right now. So I'm going to unbookmark that item. And now I have 2 items in my bookmarks, and the dealer is interested in these 2 items. So I'm going to go up here to the gear in the top right hand corner and add bookmarks to order. It's going to confirm. I'm going to tap on yes, and now you'll see that these plus signs have been switched to 1s, and these items have been added to the order. Next, I'm going to show you how to add items from a flipbook. So I'm going to go to Browse our Flipbook. I'm going to go to iPreVue Furniture. And as you see, as I'm navigating through this flipbook, I can actually tell when an item has already been added to an order. So this label here has a 1 underneath it. It means that it has been added to the order. But as you can see down here, these 3 items do not have numbers underneath the label. So these have not yet been added. But let's say this entertainment center is of interest to the dealer. So I'm going to tap on the label. It's going to bring up the product detail page. I'm going to tap on the plus sign. I'm going to tap on done. And now you can see that there is a 1 underneath the label for the entertainment center. So now I'm going to navigate back to my dealer landing page. So I think that was what, 5 ways to add items to an order. I have 2 more I can show you. So using the scanning feature, you can actually type in a SKU number within this field. So I'm going to tap within this field, and I'm going to type in, say, 100-5, because I know that SKU is in the iPreVue app. I hit on return. It brings the product detail page for that item. This item already has 1 on the order. I'm going to increase that to 2. I'm going to tap on the top left hand corner, done. And now I can navigate the app as I want to, or I can continue to enter in SKUs. I can also tap on this barcode here, and this brings up another search. So I'm going to search for SKU 100-2. and by tapping on return, it automatically adds the item to the order. I'm going to go back to the landing page. So those were a couple of ways you can add items to an order. In using the app, you'll find a way that is easiest and best for you.